Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, if you observe, as part of the previous session, we have seen how exactly we can get a value from the text field. So if you remember, we used to input the value which is used to get the value from that particular text field, right? Let me copy this program and let me paste it again. And I'm just naming it as get value from button. Okay, I just want to get a value from the button. So if there is a button in a web page, I just want to get that particular value from that button. Okay, so here I don't want to use this source demo. Let me delete this piece of a code, and whichever the source demo program here is there, let me uncomment it. And here what I'm gonna do right now here is delete these logics as well. So delete these logics. And this time I just wanna open a makemytrip.com, copy it and update it to makemytrip.com. And what we need to do as part of this particular one, once we have updated this, if you observe right now, this is a flight tracker button, right? Right click on it, inspect, and it does has a text as a flight tracker. So come back to your program. I can use await, okay, page dot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is get by role, and I know it's gonna be a button, right? And the name on that particular button is the flight tracker, and I just wanna get the text from that particular element right here. The command that we need to use here is test content. Okay, text content. So this is the command which is used in order to get that particular text from a particular element. So what I'm gonna do right now here, constant, and I'm storing it in a text value is equal to, and here console.log, I'm just printing that particular one. See here guys, I'm not doing any assertions basically. I'm just printing it up. Okay, I'm just printing it up. Let me try to run this particular program right now. Okay, it's just okay. That's the pop-up is there. Okay, the flight tracker got displayed, but there is a pop-up, right? So, anyways, it handle this particular element, but we need to see how exactly we can handle that particular pop-up, right? So, what I'm gonna do right now here is from my terminal. Okay, let me run this particular program. So, the program that I'm gonna use here is get a value from button.spec. Let it run. So here, as and when it got run, right, this is opening the Playwright inspector. Let me click the record. Okay, and I just want to hit this particular button. Okay, and switch back to your recorder. So this is the line that it got captured basically in order to perform a click operation. Right, copy it, stop the recording, and just try to execute the program. Okay, the complete execution got completed. So the flight tracker got retrieved. The one additional thing that I have identified here is I just performed a click operation on that close, and I have captured that particular command. See, basically it does has a section, and we are selecting that a personal account page, and from where whichever the span is there, I am asking it to perform a click operation on the first span. Okay, I'm asking it to click on a first span. This is the one that it got generated by my program. Okay, perfectly all right. And here if you observe, basically text content is the command which is used in order to get the text from an object, is used to get the text from the specified button. No matter whichever the button might be, you will be getting it using this particular stuff. Perfectly all right. So here the test name is handle button text. Okay, this is the first test. So let me copy this code snippet and let me comment it up, and let me create a new program. So here my intention is I want to get the text from all the buttons in that particular web page. Okay, no matter how many buttons are there, I just want to get the text from all the buttons. So here what I'm gonna do right now is, okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is await page dot locator. This time, what I'm gonna do right now here is let me write down my XPath. See, if you observe with this particular XPath, there are 10 different elements are there. Okay, there are 10 different elements are there. Slash slash button, and here, in order to get the text from all the objects, I can use a all text content. So this is used, okay, this all text content is used to get the text from all the buttons, okay, in the web page. All the options, basically in this case the XPath that I have given is a button, so it may not be button always, right? Constant values is equal to, and probably console.log, I'm asking it to print that particular values. Okay, so whenever we run this particular program, automatically it should handle these operations, and all the buttons it should print to the console. See here, these are the various buttons that it is seeing on that particular screen. Okay, that itself got retrieved and printed down to the console. So the point is, in order to get a single button, you can use that particular text content. If at all you want to get all the buttons, you are going to use all text contents. That's it. This is the way how exactly we can retrieve this information. Perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you.